Are you looking for the best bevel gauges in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best bevel gauges that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the Preciva Digital Bevel Gauge. The Preciva Digital Bevel Gauge has just about every feature a woodworker might want when measuring angles. The blade edges are marked with 2 measurement types, so there's no need for conversion. It has a digital reader with a large LCD display for clear reading, as well as 2 bubble levels for added accuracy. The center knob is easy to use and locks the blade in place when the angle is right. Customers are pleased with its compact size and ease of use, with one person writing that this tool makes finding odd angles a breeze. All they have to do is turn it on and put it in the right place, and the readout is simple. Another customer wrote, "No more guessing the angle that my shaft is hanging. I can keep this on my person at all times and whip it out to get instant shaft angles." Up next in the 4th place is the Empire True Blue Heavy Duty T-Bevel Gauge. With a stainless steel blade and aluminum handle, the Empire True Blue Heavy Duty T-Bevel Gauge is a perfect basic tool. The wing nut is low profile and works for both left and right hand use. The adjustable blade has a full 360-degree capacity and won't rust or corrode over time. Despite its low profile, this is a heavy-duty tool that works for professionals and hobbyists alike. According to reviewers, this tool is very sturdy and well made. One customer wrote that this tool is a must for doing trim work, where you need to find the angles when doing renovation work. Multiple reviews refer to it being very sturdy and a pleasure to work with. Another wrote that the wing nut tightens easily and securely, allowing for accurate angle profiles. The 3rd product on our list is the Swanson Tool Co. SVV 150 Salvage T-Bevel Gauge. The Swanson Tool Co. SVV 150 T-Bevel Gauge has a cushioned rubber handle to make using the tool a more comfortable experience. The frame is made of anodized aluminum for a more durable product, and the bottom lock mechanism makes it easy to use the bevel gauge on both sides. The blade is stainless steel and includes precision-etched measurements. It's easy to use and compact for easy transportation. "It really is the best model I've ever used," one reviewer wrote. They called it sturdy and noted that it locks up tightly to keep angles secure. Another reviewer echoed this, writing that the end lock is what stands out about this tool. It is very easy to adjust and lock the angle exactly where you want it. They found it better than the standard design with the wing nut lock. 2nd on our list is the Shinwa Sliding T-Bevel. The Shinwa Sliding T-Bevel has a stainless steel blade with sides that are milled, not stamped. The base is made of anodized aluminum for durability, and Japanese craftsmanship produces an overall high-quality tool. The blade is easily locked in place using the screw at the bottom of the handle, meaning it can be used on one side or the other without the locking mechanism getting in the way. Many customers are pleased with the heavy-duty feel of the tool. One reviewer commented that the blade is a bit thicker and sturdier than other companies' sliding bevel gauges they've tried in the past. The locking mechanism keeps the angle through almost any abuse, falls, bumps, etc. Other customers appreciate that the locking mechanism doesn't interfere when using the tool, making it capable of a wider variety of tasks. Finally, the top product on our list is the WoodRiver T-Bevel Gauge. For extra precision, the Rainab Digital T-Bevel Gauge has both a horizontal and a vertical bubble level integrated in the handle. The gauge is able to measure a full range of internal and external angles, and the digital display can switch between degrees and minutes. The full LCD display makes it easy to read and promises high accuracy. The easy-to-use locking knob tightens well and transfers angles accurately. "I use this angle finder every day at my job," one reviewer wrote. It's well made and holds up to industrial use. They also wrote highly of the battery life and the high level of accuracy. Another reviewer who frequently works with angles and measurements appreciated the sliding T-Bevel, since it was easy to lock and copy any angle. Overall, reviewers highly recommend this bevel gauge. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.